Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 9th, subject general science. Our today's topic is kingdom protista or protista. This kingdom or this group includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Unicellular eukaryotic organisms they are placed in the kingdom protista. These protistians they are characterized by the following features. Following features Protists are mostly aquatic. That means they live in water. Protista aquatic. They live and live रोज तथि water आस ठीक. Second characteristic feature of protistians is the cell structure is typically eukaryotic. Cell structure is eukaryotic. मतलब ये protoplasm of their cells surround it is surrounded by a distinct plasma membrane. By a distinct plasma membrane distinct plasma membrane. Third, you see cytoplasm of protistians. It contains membrane bound cell organelles. Cytoplasm membrane bound organelles such as mitochondria, plastids, Golgi apparatus, endoplasm reticulum, ribosomes. The cell organelles in their cytoplasm they are surrounded by membranes. They are surrounded by well defined membranes. Fourth characteristic feature is that their mode of nutrition it can be either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Either autotrophic, that means they synthesize their own food, or they depend upon others for food. ठीक. Fifth characteristic feature of protists is motile protists. Protists they move from one place to another place with the help of pseudopodia, or with the help of flagella, or with the help of cilia. With the help of cilia move kara from one place to another place with hair-like structures. They are called cilia, or whip-like structures, flagella, for moving around. Examples of protists which is unicellular algae. Unicellular algae diatoms, slime mold, protozoans. Kingdom protista. There is another kingdom, that is kingdom fungi. These are heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. Heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. These fungi they use dead decaying organic matter as food. On this basis they are called known as saprophytes. They are called saprophytes. Fungi multicellular organisms. They have the capacity to become multicellular at certain stages in their lives. As far as their cell structure is concerned, the cells of fungi they have cell walls which is made up of a chitin. Which is made up of a tough complex sugar called chitin. Examples of fungi are yeast, mushrooms. These are Penicillium, agaricus, aspergillus. These are fungi. Some fungal species they live in permanent mutually dependent relationships with blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. Such relations they are called symbiotic. For example, symbiotic life form they are called lichens. Beyond fungi with heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. These fungi they use dead organic matter as their food. On this basis they are called saprophytes. ठीक. Species of the fungi, they have the capacity to become multicellular organisms at certain stage in their lives. بیٚیہِ بیٛاکھ structure, they have cell wall. یِمن ہسا چھِ cell wall آسان یُس made up of چھُ آسان بنیومُت chitinُک. Examples of fungi ووٚن مےٚ yeast, mushrooms, aspergillus, penicillium agaricus. These are fungi. یِم ہسا گٔے fungi.